Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see PGTRB 2001 organic questions. 23 questions are there. In that, the 12th question is S form of bromochloroacetic acid. This is the bromochloroacetic acid. Okay. The S form we need to find out. See all the four structures and we need to try it. Okay. We need to know the priority of the according to the atomic number, we need to give the priority. Okay. Which is the first one? First one is bromine, and then chlorine, and then acid, and then hydrogen. So always, the acid will comes at the first we need to see the carbon. According to the carbon, it goes to the third position only. Okay. We need to know the priority first thing. The tricks which is we need to know is a priority. First iodine, bromine, chlorine, thio, and then only fluorine. Okay. This is the way we need to get. And then acyl, alcohol, nitro, and then amide, and then secondary amine, primary amine, and then amine. It's a trichlorocarbon, and then acid chloride, ester, acid. This is also amide here, and these are all the compound will keep on coming like this way. Okay, this is the low priority is hydrogen, so all the last one is hydrogen. Okay, and not only this is also, it's very important, which comes first. The benzyl group is first comes, all the double bonds. Okay, the benzene will comes first, and then triple bond alkyne, and then a tertiary carbon, and then alkene will come. Okay, before alkene a tertiary carbon will come. So this is atomic, according to the atomic number, this is the higher than the alkene, and then this one secondary carbon, and then a primary. Okay, you keep this order in mind. According to that, we need to give the prioritize. Here if you start giving like this, we can find it out which one is first. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, this is the fourth one always. So if you draw a line like this, okay, this is the clockwise direction. If it is a clockwise, then this is the R. Okay, we need to find the S, and here this is the first, and this is the second, and this is the third, and always the hydrogen is 4. So what is the order? In this order we need to go. So this is the S. What is order? This is the S order, and here this is the first, and this is the second, and this is the third. So what is order? We need to go like this. This is also anti-clockwise. This is also S, and here a 1, 2, 3, and what is the order? This is the order. Sorry, the order is in this way: 1, 2, and then 3. So this is also anti-clockwise. This is also S. So if you find out in this compound, all the three are in S only. Only one is R. So by mistake, they have given, instead of R, they have mentioned as S. There is a mistake in the question itself. The answer is B, C, D. All the B, C, D are in the R form only. Subscribe my channel, click the bell button so that you will get all the upcoming videos.